What's up, y'all? Today I'm going to share with you my 3 favorite websites to go to for copyright-free assets that I use all the time to try and stay out of legal trouble. So there's a lot of gray area in the creative field today as far as copyright and using other people's assets. With things like NFTs and digital assets exploding right now, it's best to stay as safe as possible as far as legally using assets in your graphics. I've used these websites for assets to use in my graphics a lot. These are some examples. And so right now I'm going to share with you the top 3 that I use, going from least to most, and why I like them and why I use them. So with finding copyright-free images and assets to use, it's really just about going through websites, searching what you need, and seeing if it's on there. So the first one I'll tell you about is Unsplash. So if you go to their license, Unsplash photos are made freely to use. Our license reflects that. It says all photos can be downloaded and used for free, commercial and non-commercial purposes. When you put it in a graphic, you can sell the graphic. No permission needed. Photos cannot be sold without significant modification. So this means, like, you know, if you're using it in a graphic, it's most likely going to be modified enough to where you could sell the graphic with the image in it. That's my take. If you think I'm wrong, feel free to tell me in the comments. All 3 of these websites have this on there. With any website you go to, you're going to want to check that. So once you know the website has that, then you can search something that you're looking for example, tiger, like I used in a recent graphic, and scroll down, and here are a bunch of images of tigers that you can use in your graphics. And whereas tiger came up pretty easily, other things, other more specific searches might not come up, which is why I use different websites at different times to see if I can find what I need. So the next one is Pexels, and it's got the same thing. You get on Pexels and you go to license, they'll show you the same thing. All photos and videos on Pexels are free to use, and you can modify the photos and videos from Pexels. And then even further down, it says what is not allowed. And I would read through these thoroughly, but most of the time they're just saying don't resell the images if they're not edited. Make sure that they have been altered in some way. Don't just go and download all these images and then resell them somewhere else. So if you look up tiger on Pexels, it's a good amount of variety on here as well. As far as basic images go, Pexels might be one of the best as far as variety of images. And as you can see, they've got all kinds of pictures of tigers on here. So you can just click on one and click free download, and there it goes. And now, last but not least, we have Pixabay. Now Pixabay, if you go to the bottom, Pixabay is a vibrant community of creatives sharing copyright-free images, videos, and music. All contents are released under the Pixabay license, which makes them safe to use without asking for permission or giving credit to the artist, even for commercial purposes, which to me means you can sell it if it's edited. Again, most of the time, you have to edit it in some way. So what's cool about Pixabay, sometimes they don't have as wide of a variety of regular images. Where they lack in variety of regular images, they have vector graphics, everything you can find. They have illustrations, which are some of the same thing. And they even have videos for your motion graphics, or if you work on videos, or if you edit videos as well. I just put this tiger video in the last YouTube video I made. So that's why Pixabay is my favorite, and it's my go-to the first time I'm searching up something I need to put in my graphics. So just to clarify, I'm not a legal professional. This is not all 100% guaranteed information. This is just my opinion and my advice. So do your own research. Make sure what you're using is as safe to use as possible. So if you learned anything or enjoyed watching my facial hair slowly disappear, go ahead and subscribe to my channel and check out my other content. Thanks for watching.